Okay, question number 4. Shirin is considering the following 3 banks to apply for a car loan. Bank P, interest rate of 4.75% compounded every 6 months. Interest rate of 4.75% tu apa? What is it? J. Compounded every 6 months tu apa? M dia. 12. Bank Q, interest rate of 4.6. Salah. Every 6 months. 2. My bad. Okay. Interest rate of Bank Q, interest rate of 4.65% compounded every month. Ni baru M. 12. Okay. Bank R, interest rate of 4.75% compounded every 4 months means 12 bahagi dengan 4. 3. 12 bahagi dengan 4. Alright. 3. Alright. Now what? Which bank give the lowest interest by comparing the equivalent effective rate of each bank? Okay. Dia nak buat apa ni? Nak buat apa? Dia nak buat loan. Kalau nak buat loan, kita nak tengok dari segi apa? Lowest interest. So, kita akan buat apa? Equivalent effective rate ni. Kita kena cari guna formula apa? RE 1 plus I power M minus 1. Okay, let's go for Bank P first. Okay, Bank P, dia punya RE 1 plus I. I is 0.0475 divided by 2 power 2 minus 1. What you going to get? 0.0481. 4 decimal places. Okay, so convert into percentage, 4.81%. Okay, next is Bank Q. Find for the RE for Bank Q. Okay, RE 1 plus 0.0465 divided by 12 power 12 minus 1. What are you going to get? 4, 7, 5. So 4.75%. The last bank, which is Bank PQR. Is it? Yeah, okay. Bank Q. No, Bank R. Find the RE. 1 plus 0.046. Salah. 7. Divide with 3 power 3 minus 1, 0.0477. So you're going to get 4.7%. 4.77%. Okay, so which one is the lowest one? P is 4.8, Bank Q 4.75, Bank P 4.77. So mean the lowest is Bank Q. Okay. So jawab soalan dia tanya apa? Which bank? Okay. So which bank give the lowest interest? Okay. Bank Q. Okay. Bank Q offers the lowest interest. Kalau soalan tukar sikit jadi dia nak buat investment, kena pilih bank apa? Bank P. Okay. Tengok dia nak buat apa. Okay. Dia nak buat loan ke dia nak buat investment.